someone else intervened on the intervention in China as well. Julie Hyman has our report.
Someone who doesn't pull any punches. We're talking about him yet again.
Yeah.
Donald Trump. Yes, noted economist and scholar Donald Trump.
Donald J.
Yes, he spoke in Michigan last night, and he talked about China's devaluation as well. Listen to him.
China has no respect for President Obama whatsoever. Whatsoever. Well, you have to take strong action. How can we compete? They continuously cut their currency. They devalue their currency, and I've been saying this for years. They've been doing it for years. This isn't just starting. This was the largest devaluation they've had in 2 decades. They're making it impossible for our businesses, our companies, to compete. They think we're run by a bunch of idiots.
Of course, he wants to tap Carl Icahn as the Treasury Secretary to go over and negotiate or steamroll
Now, hold on.
the Chinese.
Tom, I want to lean on your experience for this. When you talk about respect and how it affects currency fluctuations, is that more of a freshwater opinion or a saltwater opinion? Is that a Chicago thing? What is that?
That was a Trump Tower thing. Mr. Trump is somewhat accurate in that this was a huge devaluation back 20 years. But we've had a massive renminbi appreciation, keeping, for example, Senator Schumer happy since 2005. But that moves again onto the real economy as President Trump tries to sell American products abroad.
Yes, exactly. I mean, if you do look at this latest devaluation, and you look generally at the downturn we have seen in the Chinese economy, and particularly the Chinese stock market, as we have seen these sell-offs in Chinese stocks, they have coincided with sell-offs in these stocks you're looking at.
That's a great idea.
Apple, General Motors, Yum Brands, GM gets about a quarter of its sales right now in China.
I've missed this. Is GM doing a BMW? I missed this the last couple of days.
Well, GM has moved into China, but this goes back to what Hans was talking about earlier, is that we should really look at the second-order effects of people who sell stuff to China.
And that's what Mr. Trump's trying to get at. He's trying to tap that. Look, we know that normal political rules do not apply to Donald Trump. One rule will apply to Donald Trump. That is, if he's President Trump, candidate Trump's comments on China will be washed away. Every presidential candidate is very firm, very harsh on China. They change their tune the minute they're inaugurated.
Different, Hans.
My mistake. My mistake. I take it back. I walk it back.
Can we just talk about Trump all day, every day for the next 6 months?